Hello class 8. We are doing some programming practice based on input statement of Java and methods of Java. So today's first question is, a shopkeeper offers 10% discount on the printed price of a digital camera. Shopkeeper offers 10% discount on the printed price of a digital camera. However, a customer has to pay 6% GST. You know GST, 6% GST on the remaining amount. Now, what is the meaning of remaining amount? Suppose you input the printed price of the digital camera. On that printed price, you take out the 10% discount. So after deducting this 10% discount from the printed price, that is the remaining amount. On the remaining amount, customer has to pay 6% on the GST. So you find out the 6% GST on the remaining amount and add it with the remaining amount. GST with the remaining amount, and that will be the price to be paid, amount to be paid to the customer. So write a program in Java to calculate and display the amount to be paid by the customer, taking printed price as input. So I hope the question is clear to everyone. Now let us write a program for this. Okay, new class name digital camera. Digital camera. Any meaningful class name? Created. Now let us type the program. First import the package. So what you have to type? Import java.util.scanner semicolon. Now method line, you all know, public static void main string args square bracket. Now create scanner method. Scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. Now what you have to input the printed price. Okay, what is given on the mark price? System or println. System or println. Enter printed price. Enter printed price. Okay. pp int, or take it double type because it may have some rupees paise. So double pp for printed price equal to ob.next double. ob.next double. Alright. Now first find the discount. So double discount equal to how many percent? 10%. The printed price into 10 by 100. This is the 10% discount on the printed price. Alright. Now what to find out? The remaining amount, the price. So double, suppose the remaining amount is p. The p equal to printed price minus discount. This is the remaining amount. Now find out the GST. GST is 6% on the remaining amount. So GST is how many percent? 6% on the remaining amount. So P into 6 by 100. So we have calculated a GST. Now add this GST in the remaining amount, and that will be the new price to be paid to the shopkeeper. The P plus GST. Okay. Now this is the amount to be paid to the shopkeeper after calculating the GST. The system out println amount to be paid equal to, give the message amount to be paid equal to plus P. So once again, see the whole program. Question was asked to enter the printed price. We have entered the printed price PP. calculate 10% discount. So what is remaining amount? Remaining amount is printed price minus discount. GST is 6%, 6% of the remaining amount, and is GST added in the remaining amount, that is the amount to be paid to the shopkeeper. Now compile. Oh, double spelling. Compile. Okay. Right click. Void main. Okay. Enter the printed price. Suppose printed price is 25,000. The amount to be paid is first 10% discount, then 6% GST. Amount is 23,850. All right. So this is today's first question. Now second question is based on the methods. Using the methods, the time period of a simple pendulum is given by the formula T equal to 2 pi square root over 1 by G. G is the gravity. The time period of a simple pendulum is given by the formula T equal to 2 pi square root over 1 by G. Write a program to calculate and display the time period of a simple pendulum by taking length L and acceleration due to gravity G as inputs, and pi value is given 22/7. So what you have to input in this question? We have to input the length. We have to enter the length and enter the gravity. Okay, and enter the acceleration due to gravity G. These two have to input and calculate the T. So let us do this program. BlueJ. Okay, new class, time period, class name time period, time period, first import line, import java dot util dot scanner. Now open any program and just copy some line from the last program digital to input the value. Done. Can save some time. Now see, enter printed price. This will be enter what? The length. You have to enter the what? Enter length. Enter length double, take it L only, double only, L equal to OB dot next double. Now after inputting length, what you have to input? We have to input the acceleration due to gravity. So give the message, enter acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Okay, gravity G equal to OB dot next double. Now what you have to calculate? T. The double T equal to T for time period of a simple pendulum. T equal to 2 pi. So what is value of pi? Value of pi is 22/7. So 2 into 22/7. Into square root math dot sqrt bracket 1 by G. Here not 1, length by G. It is length by G. Length by G. Close the bracket, semicolon. Now print system out println time period equal to equal to T. All right, close. So see, according to question, we have entered the length L, we have entered the acceleration due to gravity G, T equal to 2 pi into square root over L by G. Compile the program. No syntax error. Right click, void main, OK. Enter the value of L, suppose 5. Enter the value of G, suppose 9. The time period is 4.47. Alright, so today we have discussed two programming questions based on input statement and basic methods. Please write and practice. Thank you.